Welcome to the enchanting realm of crystals, a world laced with mystery, allure, and profound energy. These natural wonders have captivated humanity for centuries, their shimmering beauty merely a gateway into their deeper gifts. In our modern age, the popularity of crystals has surged, with individuals across the globe harnessing their unique properties for healing, meditation, or simply as beautiful home decor. But with countless types available, how does one find the crystal that resonates with their personal journey? Throughout this exploration, we will be shining a light on 5 distinct crystals: the tender rose quartz, the spiritual amethyst, the prosperous citrine, the protective black tourmaline, and the master healer clear quartz. Each with their own unique energy, these crystals offer a glimpse into the diverse world. That's right, we're talking about rose quartz. This delicate pink crystal is renowned for its connection to love, self-esteem, and forgiveness. It's said to open your heart, allowing you to both give and receive love freely. When selecting rose quartz, look for a stone that resonates with you. Use it by holding it during meditation or placing it in your space. Looking for spiritual growth? Allow me to introduce you to amethyst. This captivating purple stone is renowned for its spiritual properties. Many turn to amethyst for meditation, as it is believed to enhance tranquility and calmness, guiding you towards a deeper spiritual connection. When choosing amethyst, look for a vibrant hue that speaks to you. To use it, simply hold the stone during meditation or place it in your space. With amethyst, you can connect to your spirituality on a deeper level. Seeking success in your endeavors? Citrine could be your crystal. Known as the success stone, citrine is famed for its ability to attract abundance and positivity. This radiant golden gemstone is said to carry the power of the sun, stimulating the brain and strengthening the intellect. To harness the power of citrine, choose a piece that resonates with you, carry it in your pocket or place it in your workspace. Remember, crystals are personal, so trust your instincts. Feeling the need for protection? Black tourmaline could be the answer. This powerful stone is known for its grounding qualities, helping to connect us to the earth and our surroundings. It's a shield against negative energy, creating a buffer between you and anything that may disturb your peace. When choosing your black tourmaline, look for a stone that resonates with you. Hold it in your hand, feel its weight, its energy. If it feels right, it's yours. With black tourmaline, you can feel safe and grounded. Looking for all-around healing? Clear quartz is your go-to crystal. Known as the master healer, clear quartz is revered for its ability to amplify energy and thought. This versatile crystal can adapt to your specific needs, making it an essential addition to any crystal collection. Whether you're seeking physical, emotional, or spiritual healing, clear quartz can channel and magnify your intentions. Remember, when choosing your clear quartz, let your intuition guide you. With clear quartz, you have the master healer at your disposal. So, you see, finding the right crystal isn't as daunting as it seems. From the calming, love-attracting energies of rose quartz to the spiritual vibrations of amethyst, each crystal holds unique properties that can align with your personal journey. Citrine, with its ability to manifest success and abundance, can be your ally in achieving your goals. Black tourmaline, on the other hand, serves as a protective shield, warding off negative energies. And let's not forget clear quartz, the master healer, amplifying positivity and clarity. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned crystal enthusiast, the secret lies in listening to your intuition and feeling the energy each crystal brings. There's a world full of crystals waiting for you to explore, each one with its own story to tell and energy to share.